Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Jay, and this video is going to be about this beautiful sunset eyes. I'm also going to be using products from MUA Cosmetics. It's just basically a summer glowy look, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with my skin prep, but hang on, I still have nails to put on. So you guys know I love my press-on nails, so I'm putting on the Elegant Touch Wild News press-on nails. Absolutely love them. They're so convenient and they feel fantastic. And now for my skin prep, I'm going in with this serum from Oliveda. There is a discount code if you guys want to save some money, but absolutely love it. It feels really nourishing on the skin and it radiates and is really good for my pores. And then I'm going to go in with the face moisturizer also from Oliveda. It's an anti-aging face moisturizer, and again it's just really good. It's just been really helping my skin lately, so I'm just going to go in and apply that all over. And once that's on, I'm going to go in with the eye cream as well. And I absolutely love the eye cream. It's been a while since I've had a good eye cream. And this one is an anti-wrinkle eye cream. And it's really nourishing. You tend to forget the area around your eyes. It's the most sensitive part of your face. So it's nice to give some care to that area. So I'm just going to apply that gently on my eyes. And today's look, I'm really going for something kind of dewy, but still golden, like just really bronzy, summer inspired type of look. So I'm going in with my MAC Prep and Primer. This primer is not, it's not going to keep your foundation looking matte unless if you use loads of powders. It does give a nice dewy finish. And now I'm going in with the Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer from MUA Cosmetics. I'm going to be using a lot of products from MUA Cosmetics. They recently released the Glow Collection and they sent me a couple of items to try out. So I'm definitely going to be trying them out in this video and I'll be sharing my thoughts. I do have a video up on the Pro Base collection, which I will link in the description box below if you're interested. So I'm going to go in with a bit of glow. So I'm going to be using this liquid highlights from MUA Cosmetics. I'm going to be applying that with a dropper. The only thing I don't like about the packaging is that the dropper really doesn't work. It doesn't take out the product from the bottle for you to apply on your face, and it's a bit of an inconvenience, but the color that you get is gorgeous. Now these liquid drops come in 3 different shades and I'm using the darkest one on my skin today, and it just gives you that glow, honey. Honestly, like I could literally wear this without makeup and that glow, look at that, look at it. And then I'm going in with my foundation. So I'm using the Pro Base foundation. It's a long wearing foundation in 183. The video that I have up is me using another shade. I can't remember off the top of my head what that shade is, but I really wanted to try out the 183 to see how much of a color difference it is. And I really do like the finish of this foundation. It is buildable coverage, and I do have a full review up on my channel, which I will link in the description box, but I do love the way this foundation performs. And I'm just applying that everywhere, my neck, everything. And now I'm going in with my brows. You guys have seen me do this 1,001 times. So I'm just going to leave a link to my blog post in the description box below. And now we're just going to move on to my eyes. So I got this new palette from Shopseptemberrose, and it is the Brew palette. Now this is a gorgeous neutral. It can be a glam. It's just an overall gorgeous palette. So I'm going to be going in with this rustic color in Red Velvet, and I'm going to apply that. Obviously I've used the P. Louise base just to make sure that the eyeshadows pop. But as you can see, I'm gently patting it on my higher part of my crease. And what you want to do is you want to gently pat it on and not spread it out. And now I'm going in with this gorgeous orange shade, and I'm using it to blend the outer part of that crease color. And I'm just gently, it's like ever so lightly, just gently blending that out. And it might take a while, but it's worth it. And now I'm going in with Pumpkin Spice, which is like a yellow, um, it's just a beautiful yellow mustard type of color to blend out that color as well. And then I'm going back in with red velvet to further deepen up the crease. So everything is about building the color. And now I'm going in with this gorgeous plum shade, and I'm using a smaller crease brush to apply this, and I'm just gently packing that onto the crease, making sure that it's fully blended throughout. And you want to take your time with this because you really want to blend out that crease. And I'm using a P. Louise base to cut my crease again. And I'm going in with pumpkin spice. And again, you just want to tap the shade and really take your time to tap it. Do not swipe because the base is kind of wet. So you want to make sure you're just tapping. And I'm going in with this orange shade just next to pumpkin spice. And I'm just again in a tapping motion and applying that. And then I'm going in with this red shade. Again, same thing. You really want to tap it in and make sure it's blended together. And then I'm going in with this plum shade, which we use in the crease, to just blend out the edge and make sure that it looks really seamless from crease to outer V. And for my wing liner, again, you guys have seen me do this a million one times, but I use my Inglot 77 liner, and that's on. And now I'm going in with the Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm using this shade to kind of contour. You don't really need to do this step, it's just me being extra, and it didn't really do much, to be honest, because that concealer shade is way too close to my skin tone anyway. And now I'm just going in with my concealer for my under eye, and I'm applying that quite generously. As you guys know, I love to do this, and just blending it out just evenly. And I like using the $1 sponges from Shopseptemberrose. They're really soft and they just feel comfortable. Now I don't have any powders from MUA, so I'm just using my black opal powder. I'm applying my waterline color from Pixie Beauty. They're super soft and super pigmented. If you guys haven't tried them out, you definitely need to. And then I'm going in with a bit of the P. Louise base on my lower lash line, and I'm going to pack some color on that base. So with this, I'm just being a bit generous because I really want the colors to pop underneath. And then I'm going in with this gorgeous red shade, and I am patting. Again, it's patting and not swiping, and just packing that color on gently before we actually blend it. And I'm using this darker color to blend the lower lash line. Just evenly, just make sure that it looks smoky and fully blended. And then I'm going in with this bronzer from the new collection, MUA Cosmetics. The bronzer really isn't my shade, but if you pile it on, it gives off a beautiful finish. But if you're darker than me, then forget it. This guy isn't gonna do anything for you. But I love the concept. I just think that MUA needs to come out with darker shades. I mean, I wasn't satisfied with it, so I had to go in with my Nip and Fab contour palette in dark. And I used that to bronze and contour, and also as my blush. And I'm also using it to redefine my nose. And just for an extra bit of drama, I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Adhesive. And I'm going in with this loose roll-on shimmer from the Glow collection as well in gold. And I am just packing that in the inner corner, in the tear duct, to give that extra pop. So, and going in with my mascara from Maybelline Cosmetics. I really want to define, especially my lower lashes. So I'm applying that and prepping my eyes for my lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be using today is from the new collection, Law and Jordan Woods, and this is LA Baby. I love the drama. They feel super light, guys, really light. And I'm going in with this glow highlighter from MUA. It comes in two different shades. So this one I believe is the darkest, is the darker palette of the two. And I'm going in with the darker color and the middle color, blending it both together to give me that gorgeous sun-kissed highlight that I'm looking for. I really want it to be like a sunset inspired type of look. So anything golden and gorgeous, I am there for it. And then to set my face and also add a bit of extra shimmer, I'm going in with a shimmer spray. And all these products from MUA Cosmetics are super, super affordable, guys, and absolutely worth every single penny. You guys see the glow that this spray gives. It is just addictive. Absolutely stunning. I look sun-kissed, ready for summer, and it's just stunning. And final touch is my lipstick, and I'm going in with this satin lipstick from MUA, and you guys won't believe that this lipstick is just £1. Look at the packaging, look at the pigment, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm applying this coral shade to my lips. I'm not even gonna line it. I'm just gonna apply the gloss from the collection in Honey Eyed, I believe it's called, and I'm applying that. It comes in two other shades. One is more like a lip plumper, and the other one is like a holographic type of gloss effect, which I absolutely love. And this is the final look, guys. I'm living my best life. I love the glow. I love the gorgeousness of it. I love my hair from Raw Hair, all colored and dyed and ready for summer. So if you enjoyed this look, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Remember, God doesn't like ugly, so please be nice to someone today. Bye, guys.